Here we are at our 3-box break of Prime, Prestige, and Timeless. Here's our list for 9-4. Sorry about that. Man, it's killing me. There we go. Good luck, everyone. First up, we'll do Prime 6. All cards go out for Prime and Timeless. No base go out for 2011 Prestige. Here we go. First up, we have a Roddy White to $4.99. Next card, we have a Charlie Joiner for the Chargers, $4.99. Next card, we have a Tom Brady, 41 of $4.99. And our hit for Prime, the Greg Little rookie auto. And that goes to Bree. Another hit, 249. Alright, next up, Timeless Treasures. One pack. Good luck, everyone. First card is a Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers. I'll show the numbering after I show the cards in Timeless. Matt Ryan, base, first hit. Ooh, look at that one. Dan Fouts, auto jersey. That's a sweet hit. And that goes to 25 Court. Monster hit right there. Very nice. Next hit is a Christian Ponder jersey. It goes to Callie Brown. And the last hit is a Mean Joe Green jersey. That goes to Big John, 44. Mean Joe is numbered to 250. The Ponder, 250. Real interested in the Fouts. Nice. Fouts is 6 of 15. Very nice. And the Matt Ryan, $4.99. And the Jonathan Stewart to $99. Alright. Time for Prestige. 11. Silver box. $24 packs, 4 hits at least. You get 5 sometimes. No base going for this break, just the inserts, rookies, and hits. Good luck. The base will have gray here at the bottom. I will go through those quickly. Filler, Julio Jones rookie for the Falcons, $9.99. AJ Green rookie, and 3 base. Last 3 are always base. First 3 are always base except for when there's an auto in the 3rd slot. Yep. Base, filler. Percy Harvin, red extra points, 100. For the Vikings, a Courtney Smith rookie, 3 base. First hit coming up. It is a Brett Seelick Gold Prestigious Pros jersey. That goes to Illy BB, 24.50. Nice pull. Got a Sanchez insert. Ronald Johnson rookie, 3 base. And we have a Kendall Hunter rookie auto. That goes to Clem, numbered to 499. Filler, Carson Palmer, Niles Paul, rookie, 3 base. Filler, Calvin Johnson, Javad Best, Powell, rookie. Filler, Hayward Bay, gold extra points for the Raiders, 250. Bowers, rookie, 3 base. Filler, Jared Allen, prestigious pros. Kendall Hunter, rookie, base. A nice John Baldwin rookie. It's a green extra points to 25. Nice pull for the Chiefs. Cadillac Williams, prestigious. Devlin, rookie. Filler, a Ponder, rookie, $9.99. Devon House, rookie. Filler, Phillip Rivers, insert. Dwayne Harris, rookie, 3 base. Filler, Niles Paul, draft. Cecil Shorts, rookie. Filler, Noshawn Marino, red extra points, 200. DeAndre Brown, rookie. Filler, Sam Bradford, stars. Daniel Thomas, rookie. Sticky. Alright. Filler, Cam Newton, nice. Numbered rookie. That's number 2/250. Not bad. We have a Merzic rookie and base. Filler, we have a Raheem Moore, Cruise rookie. Darvin Adams, rookie. Filler, we have a Daquan Bowers, draft. Robert Quinn, rookie. Base. And we have a DeAndre McDaniel, rookie auto. I had to look that one up. $14.99. Filler, Greg Jennings, stars. Austin Pettis, rookie, 3 base. Filler, we have a Turner Johnson going to the Falcons. Justin Houston, a rookie. And that is, I love pulling cards like that for people. We have a Benson, prestigious pros. Paya, a rookie. That one's going up on the nice pulls section too. Filler, Johnny Knox, Cameron Jordan. It's 4 packs again. We have a Quentin Carter, draft. Drake Nevis, rookie. Looks like we got a hit here. Ooh, look at that. That's a sweet looking prime jersey. Chad Johnson. cool looking. Got the Bengal stripe on it. Pretty cool looking. That goes to Dogs, DeRon James. Nice pull, bud. On 43 of 50. We have a Tim Tebow rookie review. A Rob Hausler rookie. 3 base. Schiller. Cecil Shorts rookie for the Jags. 9.99. Persnick rookie. 3 base. Last time. Got another hit. A Cedric Benson jersey. That goes to DeRon James also. And that's numbered 250. And we have a nice AJ Green variation. Nice pull. And a Nugget rookie. 3 base. Alright, that's going to do it for the 3-box break for now.